When it comes to sneakers, the game is a weird place right now. I'll admit that, but I enjoy so much of it because I chase what I like. I buy what I like. I enjoy what I like. And yeah, that means a $35 steal on eBay. In January 2019, Nike and Fear of God released the Moccasin in Particle Beige, Sail, and Black, originally retailing for $170. Similar to other Nike Fear of God models, you have the double stacked zoom unit for cushioning. You also have a drawstring at the heel. As you can see, again, these are dead stock. The synthetic nylon upper, it really is more of a ripstop material. You also have a Velcro strap that goes just across the midfoot to tighten or allow the shoe to fit in a more looser setting. And then the insole is black with Air Fear of God branding. And talk about a steal for only $35.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ, back another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, you saw it. Fear of God Moc is here, so I'm pretty sure it was the least loved silhouette during Jerry's release days when it came to Nike. I don't know, maybe the shoot around. No, actually I think just people hated the Moc even more. And I think it's because it was just so different. It wasn't something they were used to seeing, certainly not in terms of basketball, even though that was more the true lifestyle pair to me versus anything else released as part of that collection. And you guys know I can't stand the term slept on, because to me it has this blanket statement of everyone will have regrets if they choose to not buy a pair based on the brand, the model, the colorway, as if you can't change your mind and go back and like go and get the pair, acquire it. Doesn't matter if it's for retail, under retail, resale, doesn't matter. Like, you have that ability to do that. Some people just genuinely don't like things. It's not them sleeping on it if they truly can't stand what the shoe looks like or the colorway. Me with foam runners, I don't care, even with the entire fallout that's happened within the media and everyone's perceptions now just all out there. I hated the foam runner from the start, and that will continue to happen. There's nothing being slept on. I just think it's a very hideous creation. So slept on, we know that's not a term that I care for. Did I really underestimate how well the Moc would fit into my closet? Yes, I did. I really and truly did. But once I got the platinum pair, loved them. And once he announced, hey, no longer with Nike, moving to Adidas, we know that pair shot up in value, especially the Fog ones. And I'm still looking to acquire a lot of those. Like, I would love to have as many colors of those as I possibly can. But for the Moc and then even the Skyline 2, you're able to hunt those down for reasonable prices. I'm talking some are average on $60 to $100. It just really depends on your size and the colorway you're chasing down. I have the Skyline 2 in the white and black technically. I would love to have it in just the all like sail colorway or white on white, whatever you would like to call it. But that's a little bit more difficult to find in my anywhere from 6 to a min 7. So for the Moc though, that's not the case. I have these on watch list all over, like tons of different resale sites, but eBay is the one. It is the one. So I paid $35 before shipping with these, and yes, they are brand new. I like brand new, not worn, brand new in the blush colorway. Very happy to have these. Now these are truly, it's either for you or it's not, and that's perfectly fine. But it is for me. I think it just I think it's determined by how you like to style or wear certain pants, and if you're comfortable possibly having your ankle exposed. Even if you don't want your ankle exposed, you can just wear crew socks. Like, there's nothing against being able to do that. But I'm a fan, and I remember seeing friends have them on in a number of different pictures, and I went back and even looked at some ways they styled it. I was like, man, that grew on me so much, and I decided to take advantage of a steal. It's not very often you can find collaborations with brands for the low price of what I was able to pick these up for. But I think that also speaks to some collabs are definitely not gonna hit, whether it's the primary market or the secondary market, like you may assume that they would just based on what name is attached to them. And we've also seen a number of collaborations, unfortunately, just get watered down, not in reference to Fog and Nike, but just become kind of watered down, and it's because it's just oversaturated. Like we get as many collabs as we do regular inline pairs, and I don't know. It is a weird time right now with the number of collabs that we see, but I will never be upset about acquiring something I like, a designer I love supporting, and in colorways that can go with a lot within my closet. And I like this subtle pink, this subtle rose, aka blush, just to go and coordinate with a number of different things. So this is not an extensive video. I didn't feel that it needed to be. Just wanted to share the eBay steal. eBay is still bae. I've definitely spent a lot of time with GOAT this year, but eBay is still bae. Acquired a new pair, and I really need to have some seats. Okay, heading into my birthday month, because outside of like well, we know the Ama Maniere is dropping and the Lost and Found, like same day. That is so cruel. It's cruel in every way. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.